Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon chips. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F and arrange bacon on a cooling rack so hot air crisps every slice. Use thin or thick cut depending on your crunch preference and bake until deep golden brown. Pat dry on paper towels, then cool completely to firm the texture. Serve plain, with dip, or crumbled over salads for an addictive smoky crunch. Try simple seasonings to elevate bacon chips with minimal fuss. Lightly dust slices before baking with brown sugar and black pepper to achieve a caramelized, spicy sweet finish that contrasts the saltiness. For a smoky edge, use smoked paprika and a whisper of cayenne, which adds warmth without overpowering. Alternatively, brush with a little maple syrup right after baking to create glossy, sticky chips that are perfect for snacking or small technique changes make a big difference in crispiness. Elevate bacon on a wire rack so hot air circulates and both sides crisp evenly without sitting in rendered fat. A brief chill or 5-minute freeze can help slices hold shape and reduce curling while cooking, giving flakier chips. If your oven has hot spots, flip the rack once during baking to avoid soft areas and keep every chip evenly crunchy and satisfying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.